Forget quiet, smooth helical gears. Race cars run straight cut spur gears that slam face to face with zero angle to transfer pure horsepower straight to the tarmac. The trade-off: unfiltered ear-shattering mechanical violence. Before we launch, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment down below what your absolute favourite car sound is. Welcome to part 3 of Straight Cut Gears. This is Revlord, where we roar with authority. Number 10. Bentley Continental GT3, 2nd gen. Bentley ripped the luxury out of a 2-ton monster and bolted a 6-speed Riccardi sequential transaxle directly to the rear subframe. Pushing a massive 700 Nm of torque, the twin-turbo V8 brings the muscle, but those straight-cut spur gears unleash a deep metallic whine that completely dominates the carbon cockpit. Number 9. Renault Maxi Megane. In the wild 1990 Super 2000 rally era, front-wheel drive kit cars had to squeeze out every drop of power. Renault's weapon: an ultra-tight ratio 7-speed Holden dog box. Screaming past 9,000 RPM, the driver is banging through gears constantly, creating a non-stop high-pitched transmission scream that never quits. Number 8. Mercedes C600 V12 Turbo, Amon Oliver Custom. drift legend Amon Oliver shoved a twin-turbo 6-litre M120 V12 into a humble W202 chassis. To handle 900 Nm of tyre shredding torque, he backed it with a custom straight-cut manual box. The transmission whine is so insanely harsh, it actually overpowers the twin-turbo V12 on high-angle entries. Number 7. Holden Commodore VF Supercar. Australia's Supercars Championship is pure stock car insanity. Driven by a standard Xtrac 6-speed sequential with straight-cut dog rings, drivers slam clutchless flat-out shifts, producing the iconic high-pitched mechanical siren that Supercars' interior cams are famous for.
Coming at them. At the moment, he's back to 6.5 seconds behind.
Remember, we had an FPR 1-2 in the race yesterday. At the moment, it's an HRT 1-2 of Tander and Courtney. You have to go back to Sandown 2009 to find the last time that the Holden racing team were 1 and 2. Garth Tander and Will Davison that day.
Number 6. Aston Martin Vulcan. Horsepower from naturally aspirated 7-litre V12, routing straight through a magnesium-cased Xtrac mid-mountain sequential. With zero sound deadening, that track-focused gear whine hits a razor-sharp frequency, under heavy trail braking that will give you goosebumps. Sauber Mercedes C9. Hitting an incredible 400 kilometers down the Emozione straight at Le Mans, the Sauber C9 is an absolute legend. To survive 810 Newton meters of twin-turbo V8 strain, Mercedes fitted a heavy-duty Holden 5-speed manual. At top speed, the gear chatter and thermal whine combine into a deafening, terrifying roar. Number 4. Sauber Mercedes C11. The carbon monocoque successor to the C9 brought a stiffer chassis and an even louder cabin. With upgraded Holden gear meshing tolerances, the C11's transmission scheme is higher, sharper, and noticeably more aggressive on the full boost. Number 3. A Polo Intensa Emozione. Built as an antidote to modern, muted hypercars, the Polo RE uses a pneumatic Holden 6-speed sequential, bolted straight to the tub. Every single tooth impact echoes through the chassis, making the 6.3-litre V12 sound less like a car and more like a jet turbine on the track. This car is also one of my most favourite cars of all time, as I think it's one of the best looking cars in the world. 2, Williams FW14B. Nigel Mansell's 1992 Formula 1 tech powerhouse was pure mechanical aggression. A skimming 15,000 RPM Renault V10 passing power through straight-cut transfer and drive gears creates an ultra-high frequency metallic whine that slices through the exhaust note. Number 1. Pagani Zonda R. The undisputed king of straight-cut violence, Pagani encased an Xtrac 6-speed sequential in magnesium and bolted it directly to the carbon titanium chassis. With zero isolation mounts, the gear whine is so raw, brutal and instant, it physically drowns out the 750 horsepower AMG V12 right behind your head. That is my ranking of the 10 most violent straight-cut gear sounds on Earth, from high-revving rally kit cars and legendary Group C monsters to an ear-shattering Formula 1 machine. Nothing compares to the pure unfiltered noise of raw transmission whine. If you love this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload, and comment down below right now with your ultimate favourite straight-cut sound of all time. This is Revlord, very raw with authority. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.